Hello, this is Sandhya Nityanandan, and this is the fourth homework of the coursework EADG 6370, which is Physical Design and Timing Analysis. Let me open a new project. This. Now, let me select the board. Now, the project is created. Now, let me copy the source IR file into the new file that's created. And let me open it here. Let me add all these four files. And also, let me add the SOC file, SDC file. And let me compile this. Once the compilation is done, I'm entering into the timing analyzer. Now first I'm reporting the maximum frequency, which is 166.67 megahertz. Now let me report the timing. The worst 5 timing parts I'm reporting. Timing. And this 14 is the worst slack in our case, which has the delay of 5.748. So let me locate this in the chip planner. Now this is the worst critical part that we have in our case. So now let's get back and make some changes in the SDC file. Now our clock period is 20 nanoseconds. Let's change this to 2 nanoseconds. Let me save this file and compile the project again. Now the compilation is finished and we can get into the timing analyzer again. I'm reporting the maximum frequency, which is 221.63 in this case. Okay, let me get into the timing report. I'm reporting the worst 5 slack, and here we can see the worst slack is minus 2.513, and which is a violation, and the delay is 4.259. So this clearly shows 2 nanosecond clock period doesn't work. Now I changed the clock timing back to 20 nanoseconds, and compiling this again. Now the compilation is done, and let me get into the timing analyzer again. I'm reporting the timing, top 5 critical paths, and let me get into the worst critical path. Now let me change the location of the registers. I'm placing it here. Getting back to the original place. Now let me change this register. Let me place it here. And now I'm changing this register. And let me place it here. After these changes, I'm closing this window. I'm closing even the timing analyzer window. And I'm recompiling the design. Now the compilation is done, and let me get into the timing analyzer again. So let's check the maximum frequency. You can see the maximum frequency as reduced. So again, let me get in the timing report to check the top 5 critical path. Now we can see the slack as reduced and the delay as increased, which is 12.960. So let me locate this in the chip planner. Here we can notice the changes that we made are still here. And due to this, the slack has reduced and the delay has increased. Check the resource usage summary. Here the number of ALMs are 188, the number of ALUTs are 304, and there are 241 input pins, input output pins, and the number of logic registers here are 247. I copy pasted the SOF file similar to that of batch files location, and I also pasted the SOF files location in the batch file. Now let me run this as an administrator. Here, as I connected my FPGA board to the laptop, it shows one device configured and the performed operations are successful. Thank you.